So, hello guys, this is me Prathamesh, and today I'll tell you how to start with your TTS project, which is text to speech, where you will be able to talk to your system or the engine. You can create static prompts and responses as you want. So, for this project, we'll only need a speech recognition and pytdsx3. pytdsx3 is the voice engine. Voice engine basically. It is said Python text to speech x3, maybe like version something like that. So this is the function which helps the code to speak using the speakers and all, whichever are the default. Now I'm using the Realtek HD audio, so it will be giving its response into my headphones. Okay, so this is the listen command, which uses recognizer, which is from this package, speech recognition. I'll tell you how to install and download all those and import it here. I'll tell all the process, not a problem. We have used the try catch block here, try expect or accept, what is that? So we have used that. So this is the deaf assistant. It will just start with a normal command like this: hello, I'm your assistant, or you can say hello, I am Jarvis, how can I help you today? So that is basically the program is doing, but the many of the viewers have problem with installation and all that, so I'll tell you how to do that. Go on Chrome, go to pypl packages. So here you can search the package you want to install, speech recognition, and then you will have this one. Wait, so these are much more different ones, so I'll make it simple for you. Package. So you will be directly redirected to this package. It will ask you to say pip install speech recognition into your command prompt or whatever the virtual environment you are using. So if you are using PyCharm, it will be really easy, but I'll go to my terminal and then I will type pip install whatever I have copied. Okay, I will hit enter. So it says the requirement already satisfied, and so we are good with that. We need to install the pytdsx3. For that, we have a similar process. We do pip install pytdsx3. Is it 3 or is it 2? Okay, so it will say same thing, requirement already satisfied, but your program may not work because you may not be having the PyAudio, which is really important, one of the main packages. So if you have any problem installing PyAudio, you can go to this you can go on Chrome, and then you will go on this website. You will find here PyAudio. This is the command to install PyAudio. Newer version is available, it says. So this is the latest version of PyAudio. You can install it like this, or you can download the files if you are unable to do with the command prompt. Basically you do this pip install PyAudio. So it says requirement already satisfied, but we have capital P there. Let's check that. So it is same, not a problem. So this is what you need to do. Need to run this code. Okay, so that is all. I will just explain a little bit of program. I'll also type in some static queries and responses. Okay, so let's see. When I say hello, it says hello, how can I? Okay, so it should say hello, how can I help you? Okay, and I will add some static prompts and responses. Okay, so say leaf, how was your day? It's completely relevant, but completely irrelevant, but okay. So the speak function here, which we previously defined here, speak function, it will take a parameter as a text and it will speak that parameter using this package pyd-x3 with the help of engine. And there is this method which is part of the pyd-x3 run and wait. So it will just run and wait for what do you say, for speaking, and then waiting for the another query, like that. So when I say how was your day, it will say pretty good. Here EWT, pretty good, thanks for asking. How was your day? I will say, would you like to tell me how was your day, sir? So it will ask me that, then I'll say if good, then I'll say speak. I am glad to hear that, sir. Okay, so this is just a basic input output system, but we are just doing it with the static prompts and responses. So there's nothing very fancy about this, and the thing is that this is not an AI, it is just a conversational bot, you can say, which uses a audio and mic to recognize the query and respond with the speakers. So this is basically that it can do. Okay, so let me just run it quick so that you can check it out. Okay,
starting voice assistant.
So hello.
How can I help you?
How was your day?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Please say again.
How was your day? What's your name?
I am your voice assistant.
How was your day?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
So okay,
Please
so
say
you can
again.
see it is not able to understand because I have this exclamation. It should have exactly same things in the query to recognize it. Okay, if I add in like this and try to run it, you see it is not recognizing. If I remove this exclamation, it will be able to.
Starting voice assistant.
How was your day?
Pretty good, thanks for asking. Would you like to tell me how was your day, sir?
Mine was good too.
I am glad to hear that, sir.
Exit. Quit. Exit.
Goodbye.
Okay, so the program is working great, not a problem. You can add in a lot of stuff. You can also import, sorry, wrong line. Import Selenium for a lot of automation stuff for web development, or we can say web automation. So this was all I wanted to demonstrate today. I wanted you to know how to install these packages and import into a program. This is the program. If you want the code, I will put this code into the description. You can check that out. It is not really fancy, but you can play around with these queries and responses. It will be really fun if you can make something like the real jarvis, but it has a lot of limitations. It is not an AI. So okay, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned.